I'm Neil Perry from Western Sydney University. I'm the Chief Economist at the Centre for Western Sydney and the School of Business. Our project is to look at the social licence for the hemp cultivation, manufacturing and building industry in Lithgow. This project allows us to bring in people from around New South Wales, so it's a project with iHemp New South Wales and also a builder in Lithgow. But we've been able to bring in that expertise into Lithgow and help us investigate the social licence issues. We're kind of creating the first steps towards social licence. You can't just create social licence instantly. It's a long running process and needs to be ongoing, but the first thing you've got to do is establish the legitimacy of it. So the economic legitimacy, the scientific legitimacy, and also the carbon emission reduction legitimacy of that industry. In this particular example, the hemp manufacturers, the hemp cultivators are actually using a circular economy model because hemp growing is uses a lot of energy, so they're bringing in basically waste from other places to create fertilisers rather than using manufactured fertiliser. They're creating the fertilisers on the ground, and that's going into the production of hemp, which of course then becomes a building product through processing and manufacturing into building, and then of course those particular houses that are built, therefore in the future house families who produce waste that comes back through as organic fertiliser for the future production of hemp.